Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you the very exciting and new feature that Canva is working on for video editing, element timing. Let's jump in and see how we do that. So first of all, what you want to pick is video and video only, so you will be able to use this feature. So I've just used this regular video, 16:9, and I've created this template. Now this is just a one-pager. You do not need to use multiple pages to use the element timing. Now as you can see, I have a background, I have a static element, I also have an animated sticker and a text box. I would like to time these three individually. So what I have to do is just pick each object that I want to do the element timing and then right-click your mouse. Then you'll see this show timing. Once I click on show timing, I get this purple bar on top of my page. Now, as you can see, it's only one, but I've picked three. So in order for me to see all three objects, all I have to do is click on this little arrow on the right. Once I click on that, boom, you get all your objects. Now to know which is which, you have these little icons on each strip. So I have this static photo, I have this video image for my giraffe, which is an animated sticker, and my text box. So let's go ahead and time our coming soon static sticker. Let's say I want it to appear by the end of my video. I'm just going to drag this. Let me just animate this. Let me pick neon on enter. Make it really quick. And then I'm just going to go ahead and jump to the next object. I'm going to go to my giraffe, and I'm not going to time this, I think. Let's see, maybe I can make it disappear towards the end, or maybe not. I'm just going to animate this one. So I'm just going to pick fade, maybe breathe. I'll choose breathe. And now let's go to our text box. So I'm just going to click on that, click on element timing, and let's animate this, swipe on enter, and this, and set the speed. Now I want the element timing to appear a few seconds after the video begins, just to create a little bit of tension and suspense. And let's see, should I make it disappear at the end? No, I think I'm just gonna leave it all the way to the end. And now let's go ahead and see what happened. Do you love it or do you love it? Okay, this is super exciting, and this is rolled out to about 50% of all users, so it will come soon, so just be a little bit patient. It's absolutely free, but if you'd like to try out Canva Pro, you can click on my link or scan this QR code and get 45 days for free with Canva Pro. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.